Hi, welcome to Kwanzoo. In this video, we will walk you through the process of downloading and filtering the leads that you receive via CSV files. Log in into the Kwanzoo platform and go to Marketing Assistant. You will see a download button on the right. Click on the download button to download the leads. Enter the email address where you want to receive the leads CSV file. Once you have entered the details, hit Save. You will receive an email with the leads CSV from customersuccess@kwanzoo.com. Click on this link to download the CSV file. Once downloaded, open the CSV file, which will have all the leads data. Click on the filter icon from the Data tab. Arrows will appear in the headings. You can filter your leads based on your criteria. For example, to filter on company size, click on the arrow next to the heading Company Size, which will open the list of all company size values. Unselect the company size filters that you don't want and click OK. Your leads will get filtered on company size values that you have selected. If you have any further questions, please reach out to customersuccess@kwanzoo.com. Thanks for watching.